Welcome back to my channel. Today our video is about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic and lucrative online business model that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals known as affiliates or publishers promote products or services of other businesses in exchange for a commission on each sale or action generated through their marketing efforts. This model operates on a win-win principle, benefiting both businesses and affiliates. One of the core components of affiliate marketing is the affiliate network or platform, which acts as an intermediary between businesses and affiliates. These platforms provide a marketplace where affiliates can find a wide range of products or services to promote. Notable examples include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. The key benefit of affiliate marketing is its potential for passive income. Affiliates can earn commissions around the clock even when they're not actively promoting products. This flexibility is a major draw for individuals looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 job and achieve financial independence. Moreover, affiliate marketing requires minimal upfront investment. Affiliates don't need to create their own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer support. This low barrier to entry makes it accessible to people from various backgrounds and levels of experience. Affiliate marketing also fosters collaboration between businesses and affiliates. For businesses, it's a cost-effective way to expand their reach and increase sales without incurring upfront advertising expenses. Affiliates, on the other hand, can leverage the reputation and resources of established brands to build their online presence. However, affiliate marketing is not without its challenges. The competition among affiliates can be fierce, especially in popular niches. To succeed, affiliates must differentiate themselves through content quality, marketing strategies, and audience engagement. Building a loyal audience or following is crucial for long-term success. Another challenge is the constant evolution of marketing channels and algorithms. Affiliates need to stay updated with the latest trends in digital marketing, including SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Adapting to changes in these areas is essential to maintain a competitive edge. Ethical considerations are also important in affiliate marketing. Affiliates should disclose their relationships with businesses too. maintain transparency and build trust with their audience. Failure to do so can lead to legal and reputational issues. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of affiliate marketing. Personalization and data-driven strategies are becoming increasingly important. Affiliates are leveraging advanced analytics and AI tools to understand their audience better and deliver tailored content and offers. Video content is gaining prominence in affiliate marketing. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok have become powerful channels for product reviews and demonstrations, allowing affiliates to connect with their audience on a more personal level. Affiliate marketing is also expanding beyond e-commerce. It's making inroads into industries like software, finance, and education. Where subscription-based models and high-value services offer substantial commission opportunities. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a dynamic and adaptable business model that offers numerous benefits to both businesses and affiliates. While it presents challenges and requires continuous learning and adaptation, it remains a viable path to financial independence and online success. As technology and consumer behavior continue to evolve, affiliate marketing will likely continue to evolve with them, offering new opportunities for those willing to embrace its potential. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.